Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. What number, when added to 1 and 1/3, gives 2/3? So let's represent 1 and 1/3 in a diagram. So here we have one entire plank and then 1/3 of that plank. Good. And we'd like to find out what can I add here to make it 2 planks. So I have one plank, I have 1/3 of a plank, and I need to figure out what can I add here to make it 2 planks in total. Alright, so I'm trying to find out what to add to 1 and 1/3 to get 2. So let's see if we can complete the plank. So that's another 1/3, so we add 1/3 there and another 1/3. So far we have added 2/3, and 2/3 give us a full plank. So adding 2/3 to 1/3 gives us a full plank, which means that for us to get 2, we just need to add 2/3, and that means our answer is B. Alright, this is something that you could have looked at and just visualize and do the calculation just the same, okay? And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe.